complicated process. I will explain advantage of the Monster Pack type C. First is a soft flexi bonding. So this is a flip chip force comparison. So as I explained, silver paste bump is used for the Monster Pack. And this bump is very soft, so we don't need to apply high pressure. So it makes damage-free bonding. So simply compare or imagine. So in case of gold connection, so the force like a man on the LSI, and in the case of C4, like a baby on the LSI. And our Monster Pack case is a kind of the cork on the LSI. So this is maybe you can understand easily. And thinking about residual stress, so our bump is made by the silver paste. Silver paste Young modulus is very small than solder and copper. So and work rate of the Monster Pack is very low due to we are using ceramic substrate. And in these results, we can reduce residual stress than the Caterpillar or solder bump C4. So Monster Pack type C is realized damage and stress-free package. This is an example of the example photo after the cross-section, and this sample is after the temperature cycle. In some time, it is occurs cracks or delamination on the locate area, but case of the Monster Pack, we can achieve damage and stress-free process and structure. And this kind of damage issue we cannot see at any time. And next is high performance. This is a comparison table of the thermal conductivity. So in the Monster Pack, we have two kinds of the ceramic substrate right now. One is FTCC, and one is alumina. I mean HTCC. These of ceramic character of the thermal conductivity is very higher than the organic. So and ability of the power consumption is also get higher. This is a junction temperature comparison of Monster Pack and organic flip-chip BGA. This test vehicle is application IC. This is using 65 nano process rule. Junction temperature of the Monster Pack is 17 degrees lower than organic flip-chip BGA at this test vehicle. So thinking about some relation with leakage current. So this test vehicle is also same. In fact, the current of the 50% of the current is a leakage current. So if you use our Monster Pack, so junction temperature can be reduced. It means also leak current is also decreased. So in other hands, your device power consumption also reduced. So and next is high-speed interface. So in high-speed interface need lower dielectric loss. So alumina and LTCC, the electric loss is lower than organic substrate. It makes stable signal transmission. So lower the electric loss, highly acceptable for high-speed interface. So maybe in case of DDR4, we are going to move. So interface speed is interface speed needed to high. So we are not sure organic can accept out or not. But ceramic is definitely can usable. This is a summary of the high performance advantage of Monster Pack Type C. So key point of the next generation is power consumption and high clock frequency. So Monster Pack's performance is definitely much better than the organic flip-chip BGA. So Monster Pack can maximize your device performance. And next is short lead time and smart power. So as I explained, our Monster Pack is using a very simple process. So due to we don't need complicated wafer bumping process, and we can success very simple flip-chip process. So we can reduce easily number of the process, and it makes very short lead time, and it makes we don't need much equipment, and then factory space is very small, and totally facility per consumption is very reduced. So Monster Pack can produce by very smart application. And I will talk about the reliability. This is a reliability test results, and the test vehicle is Monster Pack with alumina ceramics and glass ceramics. Both of test vehicles could pass MSL JEDEC level 1. This is very high advantage reliability than the organic substrate using. And other reliability test is also passed without no issues. With no issues. So our bumping material is very unique. So maybe some engineer is concerned about electromigration. But in case of C4, LSI part metal and some composition and substrate part metal, there is very complicated, and especially tin and copper has metal diffusion issues. It sometimes occurs resistance increasement. It is sometimes makes problem. But in case of the Monster Pack, interconnection phase is gold and silver. In general, gold and silver has a stable connection, and there is no metal diffusion problems. But this is only theoretical our thinking, and electromagnetic test is ongoing. So as of now, I explain our advantage. So I would like to speak. Monster Pack Type C is what application for. So we have some advantage. One is a damage and stress-free bonding method. So this is for definitely need for verifying LSI process rules. And also other advantage is high performance. This is high frequency and power consumption. So this area, Monster Pack is workable, like FPGA, ASIC, and many of communication products. This is the application model of our Monster Pack Type-C. For example, for analog communication products, in case of the mobile phone and smartphone is going to move high frequency, and to make more smaller, it needs high density of multi-chip module. This is our developed product for GPS module. Package size about 10 by 8 and 3 chips on there and 30 passive components in there. And for digital device like FPGA and ASIC, so their products clock frequency is getting more very high speed. So with this product is using very fine wafer processor and ultra low layer. So it needs damage and stress-free bonding and high-speed workability and high heat radiation. This is our developed product for application processor IC. So both of the products is accepted with much better performance comparing with existing product by customer. So, and I would like to explain our development activity for the next generation. We are developing advanced ceramic substrate with ceramic substrate supplier. At this moment, ceramic substrate design rule is a little bit behind than the organic substrate, especially line pitch. This is, line and space. So our new advanced ceramic substrate concept is to make a high density with very thin substrate. And first target of the line pitch is 35, and second target is 20 micron. And our plan of the mass production is next year first quarter. And for this development, of course, we are using a very cost-effective process for make more reasonable ceramic substrate. And also, we are trying to extend Monster Pack Type-C technology to organic substrates, especially quartz. This is a photo of for our Monster Pack Type-C technology with quartz substrate. And at this time, this assembly data is gathering ongoing, and reliability test also ongoing. So, Connectech Japan is ready to supply maximized performance products using our Monster Pack technology. If you are interested in our technology and products, please contact us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.